Weight reduction tips. 10 propensities to get thinner without diet or exercise. Weight reduction tips. 10 propensities to get in shape without diet or exercise. Weight reduction is much of the time considered one of the most difficult assignments for the vast majority of them as per the way of life they follow. Thus many are looking for weight reduction tips. 10 propensities to get thinner without diet or exercise. In any case, not every one of the means referenced on the web are not difficult to follow to achieve the outcomes. So here are the weight reduction tips. 10 propensities to shed pounds without diet or exercise to encounter the genuine outcomes. Weight reduction tips. In only 2 weeks, there are various procedures that can help you in losing more weight. You can lose tummy fat by following our 10 propensities, which we'll share. By far most of people know nothing about these procedures. At the point when individuals rest during the day and are dynamic around evening time, science has shown that they consume less fat. 6 days were spent concentrating on 14 solid people by a group of specialists from the College of Colorado. The patients didn't lay down for a daytime rest for the initial 2 days. They dozed around evening time. They then, at that point, changed their dozing propensities to match owls' sleeping timetables. Individuals' digestion really disintegrated during rests, and it turned found. Go through the accompanying 10 propensities referenced underneath to get your weight decreased without keeping an eating routine or doing any activity and accomplish stunning outcomes. 10 propensities to get thinner without diet or exercise. Here are the straightforward 10 stages engaged with lessening your weight without diet and exercise. Making a daily practice for drinking water is the principal tip, and keeping in mind that it is regularly said, truly it is one of the least complex yet most proficient ways of losing overabundance weight. Consume more calories, and control your hunger. To keep your body hydrated and accelerate your digestion, hydrate with lemon toward the beginning of the day as a component of your everyday practice. It could appear to be peculiar, yet the subsequent propensity is to smell green apples or bananas before feasts. At the point when you smell things like bananas or apples before a feast, your yearning will be diminished, making you eat short of what you normally would. Third, light a vanilla candle before supper on the grounds that different cakes, biscuits, and puddings incorporate a ton of vanilla. Notwithstanding, while you're attempting to shed pounds, it animates different compound cycles in the cerebrum that lessen your craving. It can explicitly help you in controlling your desires for desserts. The accompanying one, take photos of your food and offer the best one via web-based entertainment. Since they make you stop and re-examine what you're going to eat. In the event that the majority of the substance on your virtual entertainment pages is pictures of handled food, changing your eating routine to a better one before long might be a superior choice. You can get in shape all the more rapidly in the event that you encircle yourself with blue, for example, by utilizing blue dishes or hanging blue backdrop. A review uncovered that blue has hunger-smothering properties. Since red, yellow, and orange are like inexpensive food propensities, they ought to be stayed away from. This will assist you with feeling less ravenous. It has been exhibited that having eggs for breakfast speeds up weight reduction since they are finished and low in calories. Have hot dishes at lunch. Also, this will forestall the desire to in the middle between feasts. Furthermore, they are plentiful in nutrients B12 and A, D, E. Consider deterrents that will move you, for example, the work expected to exercise and watch what you eat. For example, you might enliven your eating routine or exercise routine with odd difficulties. Have a go at performing 10 push-ups for every potato in your feast or running multiple times all over the steps for each treat you consume. That's what the mystery is. Assuming your body is encircled by coal, it creates more intensity to warm you up, which assists you with consuming calories. Rest in a cool climate to get more fit while you're sleeping, as it builds the pace of your digestion. As indicated by a review, eating gradually and taking as much time as necessary will make it more straightforward for you to shed pounds. It's all since eating gradually and appropriately gives your stomach sufficient opportunity to indicate to the cerebrum that it is finished, which makes you eat less. Drink a glass of wine day to day. As per a joint report, doing so can assist you with getting in shape all the more rapidly. Nonetheless, don't overdo it. A similar report uncovered that the people who drank multiple glasses of wine every day fought more with consuming less calories. Please don't forget to like, share, drop your comment below and subscribe my channel. Thank you.